Hey guys, Alan here. What's going on? Welcome to the Gibson Garage Speed Shop. Today we're going to be putting in the starter. It's a quick little video, it shouldn't take too long. Just a couple precautions, you should go over. And like you look in the repair manual and it tells you to unplug the battery for like every single thing you do. You change the tire, you got to unplug the battery. No, this is really one of the times where you should unplug the battery. You got live wires coming off the starter and you don't want those to swing over and touch the frame or anything else at all. So step one is unplug the battery. See, you got this wire here, goes to the fuse panel over there, and then this wire is going to go down to the starter. So because this is a 98, it should, I believe, already have the small starter. If you got the 94 here, it has that big, heavy, the big body starter. It's terrible. And the newer ones are smaller, lighter, and are said to have more torque. So we've got a used one we're swapping in. I'm not gonna go over troubleshooting, because it starts, actually. It's just starting to drag and get weak. So there's no reason to troubleshoot like solenoids or relays or anything like that. It just needs to be replaced, it's old. So we're gonna replace it with another used one. Why not, right? It's free. I am a fan of free, you all know that. So here is the smaller one. You see it still has that same cross bolt pattern. So it'll bolt up if you've got the older, like, I don't know, I think it's pre-96. It has the big body starter. You can go buy one of these. They're a little bit more expensive in general, but it's worth it. Just say you want one for like the newer year, the smaller starter for the newer year OBSs. Part number at AutoZone's like 9990S or something like that. I'm not 100% sure anymore. It's been a few years since I worked there. I can't remember. I'm having a brain fart. Which are you supposed to do first?
Then I had to buy it.
Yeah, you want to ground it first. So positive. It's got to come off first, leaving the battery grounded. Careful not to touch nothing. Sorry. I just woke up. It's early. I can't think straight. So I lied about the troubleshooting after seeing this corrosion here. We're still going to replace it, of course, probably, but I'm just curious if I clean this up and I clean the bolt up, if it sounds any different at all. All right, that's a lot better. Those are shiny, both of those. So, and then I cleaned off the bolt too. Where's that guy at? Bolt's clean. So we'll throw some dielectric grease in there too, since corrosion's a problem. We'll try to keep the moisture out. It is, kind of winter and wet season, even though it's a nice sunny day today. All right, we're gonna see if this thing sounds any better. It used to drag right at the beginning. Didn't seem like it dragged as much. I want to confirm that it is the newer starter too. Okay, it is the newer, smaller body because it is a 1998 truck. So I just tried it again. Of course, it's always off camera, but it did drag still, like that first little whir. It's like it's having trouble, working up. It's like an old horse, just getting up to speed slowly. All right, we're under here in tight quarters, but you can see my hand. Okay, a little bit. 9/16 Shador with an extension. So this is crazy. I just saw this ground wire dangling here. It's not even hooked up. I think it looks like we got one going from the harness to the frame here, and then from the frame, I think that's supposed to go to the body. I don't know, since the one with the harness is hooked up, I'm not sure if that would have an effect on why it's dragging on the starter, but it's hard to say. Well, I hooked up that ground wire and it didn't seem to make a difference, but it's good to have it hooked up at least. So we'll pull this starter out, get the wires disconnected, hook up the wires to the new one, and put it in the old new to us one. This is a little nut in there. Is an 8. Take that one off first because it's the delicate wire. Don't want to hang all the weight off of that. There's that wire. Now 13 mil for the other power wire. And that's why you disconnect, because this would be like I'd be hurting.
You know you can weld like that too, right?
Yeah, I've welded the watch to my wrist before.
Ow! Half and half sand and eco dirt.
There we go. And it's out. Well, I wanted to use the heat shield, but it's half broke and I don't have internal Torx bits. So, you know, it's just, we're doing a lot of hoping right now. A lot of hoping. Okay, well, we got the old one that scraped most of the stuff off. I won't say cleaned, but install is going to be reverse of taking out. I don't know the word. I'm going to start by hooking up the big wire first. I'm not interested in like my own project like that. But I mean, if you want to fix it up for yourself, I can help you do it.
I know that. I just don't have the extra funds.
Right.
Although the wife is getting money coming in, I don't know. She's looking at trying to buy another car for me. She wants to. I said I really don't want to do that. I'd rather put money in my company and run my truck.
Yeah.
Because my truck is not a gas hog, but it's a gas hog.
It's a gas hog.
Compared to a Toyota, it's a gas hog, but at least I'm able to make money. As long as I don't have repairs. Not saying you're expensive, I'm just saying parts are expensive and...
Oh, yeah. No, I get you. No one wants to spend money on repairs. Period.
Oh, and it was $125 for the starter, and that was not the cheapest one, but that was like one that they would recommend to be put in there.
Yeah, of course. No, they don't want to ever offer the cheapest one. That's not a good business model.
No, the cheapest one was still $110.
Yeah. These smaller ones are a little more expensive than the ones that came in my truck. Alright, just got to hook up the power wire. And we'll give her a twist on the key. See what happens. I can't grab this thing to save my life. Alright, here we go. We're gonna see what it sounds like. Hey, that did sound better. It didn't drag in the beginning. Yeah, so solved the problem. Tired starter. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think. Please like, subscribe. And I'll see you next time.